Hey everyone, this is Theo with the TCL Moka. This is our 115-inch flat panel display. It's not interactive, but it features a mini LED backlight, QD mini LED backlights with over 2,000 local dimming zones with peak brightness up to 3,000 nits. It has the many conference feature built-in, like a meeting mode and screen mirroring and other features to boost your meetings. And also, it got a 120 watt speaker in the back. It can go up to 240 watt if you want. This is one of the first QD Mini LED flat panel display with such a size, 115 inch. And also, we have a ultra wideband remote to control laser pinpoint to better assist you in your meeting presentations. And we are also, in the future, we'll add some more features like presentation mode, where you can pause the video while you're playing and do some talk, and then resume playing or skip over altogether. And that's the introduction of our 115-inch X80. And if you want more info, visit our website at www.mokadisplay.com.